So hi everyone, welcome to Study FAQ. This is Sohan. So in this video, this is our first video of this websites for free certification courses series. So our today's website is Open Classroom. Open Classroom is mainly an online education platform for vocational training. It offers 2000 plus courses. Open Classroom operates on freemium basis, means it offers free courses to the students, and it provides free certificates after the code completion. And other thing, Open Classroom is recommended by Google, so you can understand how good the courses are. Okay, so let's open the Google Chrome browser and search for Open Classroom. So here's the first link over here, click on it. This is openclassroom.com. The link will be in the description, you can check it out. So if you are not registered in this course in this website, at first sign up here. But as I am signed up already, so I am going to sign in this website. So here enter your Gmail ID, then password, and then sign in. Here you can see the ample amount of courses are here. Build your first web page with HTML, CSS, speak in public, learn programming with JavaScript, learn programming with Python for data analysis. Data analysis is the new buzzword in this current scenario, so you can learn these courses from here. Okay, so if you are click on this course, then here it is a 12 hours course and it's easy level course. Okay, she might be your course instructor and you can start this course from here. Whenever you start this course, it is a self-paced course, so you can finish your course whenever you want. And the courses are some, you can choose the language from here, English, Spanish, French, whichever you want. There's a many courses are here. Okay, prepare your portfolio and case studies. Portfolio and case studies is one of the most important thing if you are doing your portfolio website, so this may help you. Here you can do your presentation, do work on your presentation skill also, improve your presentation skill. Presentation skill will help you in your future if you are give your some presentation in front of your colleagues or in front of your college teachers, so it will help you. Okay, and let's see some courses. Okay, let's start this course. If you start this course, okay, before start this course you have to watch the table of contents. So what is the table of content for this course? User Jupyter to run Python. Okay, part 2, part 3. In these small parts the courses will be divided, and after the all contents completion, after you complete all the parts, you will get a certificate. Let's see the demo. So here is your certificate of achievement. This is a good certification. Here will be your name and here will be your birth date. Okay, and here is the program that learn Python on basis for data analysis will be here. This is a specimen copy obviously, but you will get the real one after completing the courses, and you can print it out whenever you want. Okay, so these courses are free of cost. Here is some diploma also. There are 12 bachelor's level diploma for 12 months. It's a job guarantee diploma, and it's obviously a paid course. It's not a free course, but these courses are here enlisted here over here. These courses are all free, and you can get ample amount of courses on 2000 to 3000 courses are here. Okay, you can see many courses. So that's for it guys today. So if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And I highly recommended you this website for all of you, because I have been done some certification from this website in this lockdown. Okay, so these websites are will be very good. And in the next video we'll talk about some more websites which will be very helpful to you. So thank you